What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So, you are here to see a final on my AMT polyglas gasser 2, I believe. so yeah, this is a kit. I gotta say, first thing off the bat, beautiful kit. This thing is just, it's a nice kit. The chassis and interior went together very well, and all that good stuff. I had no film issues, which is awesome. So the body I painted in, it's a Bottle Master blue pearl metallic or something like that. I don't know what it's called. Something metallic, but it's a nice blue. And I went with a 1K clear because I didn't want to make this super shiny. It is shiny, but I didn't want to make it super shiny, like a brand new cars. I just want like a somewhat shiny, semi-gloss. I'm trying to say that's what basically 1K clear is. Well, can. So here's that. The interior is some kind of Tamiya blue. It's like a darkish bluish, not darkish. It's like a light blue. I don't know what it's called. I found some video editor on my phone, so it gave me a 5-month free trial without putting a logo on the video. So if you see my intro, I don't have my computer still. I just found a video editor. It's giving me a 5-month free trial, so that should be enough time so I can get my computer. So there might be some images probably out on your screen. If you see intro, that's why. There might be some music too. But alright, now let's get back to this. So yeah, the interior, I'm not sure what kind of blue it is. It's like a lighter blue. I thought it was pretty slick. The floor is black, and the dashboard is the same color as the body. So there's that. This kit comes with 3 different wheel options. I went with the white walls just because I thought they look really good on this car, and I went with the somewhat custom version. Well, actually, it is a custom version. I mean, somewhat. Only thing I didn't use for the custom version is it came with side pipes for the exhaust, but I didn't really like it, so I just stepped on the stock exhaust. But it is lowered. I got the custom interior, the pins or whatever heck, diamond stitching, whatever they're called. Those are in there, and the engine is a little modified too. I put the chrome valve covers on, other than the stock ones, and the front grille is the custom front grille. That's like a it's like a 4-piece, yeah, 4-piece design front grille, so that's pretty cool. The stock one is just 1 piece. Step on, you're done to go. You're good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for the outside. It turned out pretty good. Like I said, nice kit. I didn't use any decals on this kit, actually. Decals are here. I didn't use any of them because I didn't really think I would need to, but decal sheet is still in 1 piece. So let's go ahead and stop this guy and pry the hood off. I don't use the hinges. The hinges are just annoying. If I want to look at the engine, just pry the hood off. That's what I do. The engine is right there. It is the sky blue. It's a nail polish because I didn't have any. I didn't have any sky blue actual mounting paint, but I had some nail polish. Actually, I had some. I went to my Dollar Tree, whatever. She's down over me, and they had nail polish for 50 cents, and they had that color. I was like, well, I need that. So I got that. Silver brand nail polish, but hey, it makes good mounting paint if you fit it good enough. So that's the engine. See, I went with the custom valve covers, the chrome ones, so that looks pretty good. And yeah, there's the interior. And you know, chassis, you guys seen this, just your typical chassis. Colors. So that looks pretty good. And yeah, other than that, I think that'll be it. This kit, like I said, went together very well, And plus, you get tons of extra parts for this kit, and I mean tons. You got tons of engine options. You got some suspension. You got a lot of suspension left over. I mean, there's a duplicate tree, and they give you, so you get 2 mirrors, rear view mirrors. You got 2 shifters. You got some duplicate. You got duplicate of the radiator hose, which is pretty funny. And plus you got whole interior. You got the seats, you got the front seat, back seat, and door panels. So you basically have an entire interior by the time of this. And you have another grill, and you have some leftover wheels. So I had these polyglas Goodyear Goodrich tires, which is awesome. We're putting these on something. So I had those, and the bonus in the kit is the red walls, which these are definitely going on something. I gotta figure out what, but these are also Goodyear. And the white walls are also Goodyear. But yeah, but alright guys, I think that's it for now. Like I said, if you hear music and you see my new intro, I don't have my new computer. Like I said, I just found a cheap intro. I found a video editor on my phone. Just gave me a 5-month free trial. So that's why you're seeing pictures on the screen and music and stuff. But other than that, that'll do it for now. And I'm actually going to start my next build. But other than that, until then, talk to you guys very soon. Bye for now.